What is up, everybody, and welcome back to the channel. So this is a different style video because right now, where I live, we are currently in a really bad blizzard with up to 120 km/h winds. To get the record straight, I'm trying to film a video that is going to take me literal hours to do. Just the filming part, by the way. And now we get a blizzard. I have multiple videos that I'm trying to do, but Canada, where I live, is like, nope, blizzard. We usually don't get blizzards in the wintertime, but for some reason we're getting one now, which is a bit strange. I'm literally trying to film a video, and we're just getting really bad weather. Oh my god. Yeah, this is kind of crazy. I think, honestly, one of the things I'm going to be doing is constantly just solving the Rubik's Cube over and over again to keep myself entertained. Now that I think about it, I don't think this Rubik's Cube is going to keep me entertained. So I'm currently reading through the blizzard warning, and it says we're gonna have 20 to 40 centimeters of snow with an average rate of 2 to 5 centimeters per hour, which is absolutely insane. Seems that traveling is going to be hazardous due to reduced vision. It says right here that on Monday morning we're gonna have 110 kilometers per hour of wind. It's gonna be a nightmare to deal with. But honestly, I'm too tired to even deal with this, so I'll see you guys in the morning. Okay, so it is the next day, and it's time to go see what this blizzard has done. Holy crap! These windows are covered in snow. They're covered. So it's currently 9 AM, and this storm is not supposed to be done until 12, so we have another 3 hours of this. And we have to snow blow every bit of snow that is out. This is gonna take forever. Okay, so I am now going to go outside and clean up all of this snow with my dad. Okay, so I now have my boots ready, my snow pants, my jacket, my gloves. I've got everything ready to go outside. Okay, we're going outside. Oh my god. Holy crap. Oh my god. Okay, so we are now done doing the snow clearing, and I managed to build a fort for myself, which is extremely warm. But yeah, that's gonna do it for this video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel so we can get to 600 subscribers by the end of the year, and I'll see you guys next time. Adios, amigos.